And in yet another developing story from across the border, Pakistani officials refused to execute the arrest warrant against the Prime Minister Raja Parvez Ashraf. Now remember, this is despite the Supreme Court order which was issued day before yesterday with a January 17 deadline which expires today. The Pakistani Prime Minister has been accused in a graft case and the Supreme Court had issued immediate arrest warrant orders against him and 20 others in this particular graft case. Now sources are telling your channel that the Pakistani establishment and officials have refused to execute this arrest order for various reasons. One thing that they have cited is that the Supreme Court in fact did not issue any deadline, and the second thing that they've said is that the investigation report submitted to the Apex Court is in fact inaccurate. Shafiq joining us on the phone now with us in a couple of minutes. He'll be giving us more details on this, but basically the NAB chairman has called the probe that was legally submitted to the Supreme Court incorrect, said that the probe and the investigative report submitted in the Supreme Court is in fact inaccurate, and based on that, Pakistani officials refusing to execute the order of the Apex Court. It will come up for hearing once again in the Supreme Court today, but the news that we are getting is that Pakistani officials refusing to act upon the Supreme Court directive and refusing to execute the arrest warrant against Raja Parvez Ashraf despite the Supreme Court order which had come in day before yesterday. The Prime Minister is accused in a graft case and the Supreme Court had issued immediate arrest warrant orders day before yesterday with a January 17 deadline.